stick it in the USB port. Here's a closer up view. What we did was we stuck our thumb drive in, and now we're at this screen. Now what we're going to do is we're going to hit the USB, and we're going to actually see our patterns here. This we have actually 4 patterns, 1 inch, and we have then 2 inch. We're going to select the 2 inch. We're going to select that one, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this up arrow, and basically what it does is it imports it into the machine. And now we're going to hit the adjust, go to layout, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to bring them down a little bit, and for our design we want to rotate him 90 degrees. And then what you're going to want to do is hit the back, then you're going to want to go to this, and if you hit this, it traces it out on the actual machine. That's a real easy way to make sure that it'll fit on your fabric, on your towel, whatever you're really looking for there. That's something that's really something you're going to really want to do. And then after that, you're just going to want to put the handle down and hit the green button here, just like always. And basically that's it. It's really not that hard.
Go ahead and thread the machine. And I've got my embroidery thread on there and the little spool cover, and I'm using the smallest spool cover. And when you put it on like that, you want to make sure that the thread's not caught between the spool and the spool cover. But now you just lay in your threading and you just follow the directions. 1 through that slot, and then down and around and up, and now I'm going back down again. So you follow 1 through 2, and you can see 3 here at the bottom, and I'm going to fish it up again through 4. And then it's just going to lay straight down, and you might be able to see I was holding it with my right finger there to help keep it taut. It makes it a little easier to thread when you've got a tension on it. But now we've got it down through 5 here, and 6 is this little finger that attaches right above the needle that will help keep the thread tight to the needle while it's going up and down. And then you'll feed it through that little catch, and then through 7, and now you'll be able to thread it with the little lever on the left. You'll pull it down and it'll snap into place.